hemoglobin estimation. How to derive the standard value and plot the standard curve on an Excel sheet. Deriving the standard value. Hemoglobin standard is a color standard. Check the concentration of the standard stamped on the ampule or vial. In this case, it is 59 milligrams per deciliter. We have to convert this into gram per deciliter as that is the unit we are reporting in. To do this, we divide 59 milligrams per deciliter by 1000, which is equal to 0.059 gram per deciliter. The value now needs to be adjusted to the dilution factor. The original hemoglobin the standard represents is obtained by multiplying the figure stated on the label by the dilution to be applied to the blood sample. As we add 20 microliters to 5 ml, which is 5000 microliters, our dilution is 20 in 5020. The factor thus is 50/20 divided by 20, which is equal to 251. Multiply 0.059 by 251, which is equal to 14.809. So here, we are taking the concentration of the standard to be used in the calculations as 14.8. The standard curve on an Excel sheet. Open a new Excel file. Select the 7 rows and 6 columns, that is A, B, C, D, E, and F. Enter serial number, standard volume, reagent volume, that is Drapkin solution, dilution factor, expected values, and OD. The column entry A, serial number, B, standard volume, and C, Drapkin solution volume, F, OD is manual. For column D2, that is dilution factor, feed in the formula which is equal to B2 divided by 5, enter and select the formulated cells and drag down, 5 being the total volume of solution. The column E, that is concentration, feed in the formula which is 14.8 multiplied by D2, enter and select the formulated cells and drag down. Now enter the ODs we have used to prepare the manual graph. Now select column E and F along with headings, go to Insert, go to Scatter and select a graph. A graph with OD on the y-axis and corresponding HB values on x-axis will be plotted. Select the x-axis and right-click. Come to the bottommost option Format Axis. Change the major unit as 0.5 and enter. You have a graph which shows HB reading in 0.1 gram per deciliter on the x-axis and OD in 2 decimal places on the y-axis. The graph will be linear up to the highest concentration, which is the value of the standard, in this case 14.8 gram per deciliter. A printout of this graph can be taken and used for quick reference to calculate the HB concentration. Alternatively, you can take a printout of the last 2 columns which are the OD values with corresponding HB concentration for quick reference.